is Arthur Edward Thomas, and I am President Emeritus of Central State University in Wilberforce, Ohio, my alma mater. I also serve as Presidential Fellow of the National Association for Equal Opportunity in Higher Education, the umbrella organization for all historically black colleges and predominantly black colleges and universities. I will be serving in the capacity of Vice President for Advocacy for the Angel Up Foundation, and I do this gladly and with pride, and I'm honored that I have been asked to serve in this role. My mother told me when I was 5 years old, son, whenever you see someone that is suffering, whenever you see someone that is in pain, whenever you see someone that has been denied, help them, my child, because that could be you were it not for the grace of God. I have remembered what my mother told me, and I have tried to live by her advice for the more than 50 years that I have served as an educator and as a civil rights activist and as an activist. I have tried my best to work hard to see to it that those that were being denied were given access, and that those that were being mistreated were treated in the proper manner and given the respect they deserve and the resources they deserve. Many people are being denied adequate medical care when they could be provided adequate medical care. I am going to try to pull together the experts that care in insurance, the experts that care in medicine, the experts that care in nursing, the experts that care in psychological associations, and bring to bear a cadre of people that will do all they possibly can to impact on a very large scale the health care of our people that are being denied in this country and hopefully worldwide. It's a large task, but a winner never quits and a quitter never wins. It's a large task, but the one thing worse than a quitter is a man or woman or child who is afraid to begin. It's a large task, but he who gets behind in the race of life must forever remain behind or run faster than the man or woman in front. We are way behind. Poor people, black people, minorities are dying earlier, are suffering more, and they should not have to in this society with the resources available. We are going to attack that issue vigorously.